A book review. Echoes of the Getaway. Behind the Dark Shadows of the Valley. Author Ravindra Prabhat. Translation Gautam Roy. Narration Mukul Sharvastava. This is the fifth novel by famous Indian novelist Ravindra Prabhat, originally titled Kashmir 370 Kilometers in Hindi. The English translation is done by Gautam Roy. The author has conveyed the details of the book in a natural way, avoiding any prejudice and cumbersome analysis on a burning subject like Kashmir. This novel, based on Kashmir, has come at a time when the government of India has taken a historic decision and abolished Section 370 from Kashmir and divided Jammu and Kashmir in two parts. Night of August 5th, 2019. Telephone bells rang repeatedly, tearing the skirt of silence. The atmosphere grew eerie, enigmatic, and pensive. Raj Bhavan became vocal. Parliament became vocal, and clouds of apprehensions and confusion prevailed all over. Everyone was asking each other whether something has happened in Kashmir. So many men, so many opinions. This novel describes the plights of the Pandits living in the paradise of the earth and how they were forced for a getaway from Kashmir. The writer is bold on communal fanaticism and its evil effects on the lives of the common men. Giving reference of history, the writer has tried to prove his point of view that how communal discrimination and hatred developed in the society of the valley. Though the characters and incidents of the main plot are fictitious, but the narrative is based on the real facts of Kashmir. This is the very reason why this novel presents a human story of struggle for existence in any adverse situation. It is the story of common Indians, in spite of complaints and torments in daily lives, still have a strong belief in justice and hope for a better future. The writer has handled the sensitive and powerful subject in a balanced and emotional way for which the narrative touches the inner chord and sensibilities of the readers. Instead of focusing on political aspects of the crisis, this novel tells the story of common men who had gone through inhuman sufferings, sometimes due to partition and sometimes due to communal and jihadi fanaticism. This novel, on one hand, reveals the secrets of state-sponsored terrorism, and on the other hand, present the broad picture of sufferings of Kashmiri Pandits in context to the political and social intricacies of Kashmir. Why only Kashmir? The situation of the whole country is deteriorating these days. Hindus have become too much Hindu, while the Muslims have become too much Muslims. When a generation who has seen and understood the issue of Kashmir is almost finished, then this novel is very relevant for the new generation of this time.